There's guys out there that have figured out the method to easily attract the most beautiful woman without breaking a sweat. And on the other hand, there's the guys that are clueless and have zero idea how to deal with women. They're the kind of guys that focus on playing video games all day and scrolling on Instagram liking pictures of women that could care less about them. No matter which side of the spectrum you're on, the majority of men do want to have a family. They do want the beautiful woman by their side, and they do want to have kids in order to be able to leave a legacy behind. And today, I'll be telling you 3 extremely important secrets to get girls. Number 3, hygiene. Buy a shampoo that you can use to wash your hair at least once a week, and hair grease and moisturizer. Have a body wash that'll leave your skin moisturized, and also have lotion that is most comfortable for your skin. Be sure to wash your face every morning and have either a spray-on or regular stick of deodorant to only use after you shower. You never want to be talking to a girl while smelling like a garbage can. Buy an Oral-B powered toothbrush, as it'll do a better job cleaning your teeth than the regular traditional toothbrush. Buy floss picks and mouthwash, a toenail and nail clipper to keep your nails well cut, Manscaped Lawnmower 4.0 to stay well shaved. Going to the barbershop every 2 to 3 weeks is also essential, and being sure to wash all your clothes every few weeks is also important. And lastly, purchase 2 different colognes. Have one cologne for casual wear, like going to work, and have another cologne for special occasions or when you're going on dates with the girls. All of these things are extremely important. As a man, if you can take care of your hygiene and do all of these little things that a lot of guys struggle with, you are already ahead of the curve on getting girls. And trust me, girls will notice when your nails are cut, the fact that you have a nice haircut, the fact that your face is clean and moisturized, the fact that you smell good. These are important things that are a major plus for girls, and it will 1000% help you get the girl you desire. Number 2, cold approach to build confidence. We live in the attention economy and the social media era. Everyone's head is dipped in their phone all day, which then causes guys to be too afraid to approach girls in real life. A major step towards fixing this issue is to talk to more people in real life. For an example, if you're at Target shopping around, say hello, how you're doing to someone walking by, or just a simple smile and continue about your day can go a long way. The more you actually interact with people in real life, the more conversations you'll be able to have. You'd be surprised how many people out there are willing to have a conversation with you. This will build confidence for you when talking to a girl. Your social skills will go up because you've been talking to people more often. When talking to a girl, be confident and compliment her on something like her shoes or t-shirt. Do not be generic and tell her she's beautiful, as that's something she's already heard a million times. You want to be different and stand out versus the others that may have already approached her. After that, ask for her number and tell her you'd love to take her out for either ice cream or something to eat. Be sure that the date is something or somewhere where you're going to be able to sit down and actually get to know who this girl is. That can be a simple coffee date. It could be a date to the game place, go-kart racing, bowling, or simply going to grab lunch. Whatever that date may be, make sure it's something that's not too expensive and something where you'll actually be able to get to know the girl. She'll notice the unique compliment and she'll love your confidence. This doesn't mean she's guaranteed to say yes, as she may have a significant other or just not be interested. But this is a major win as a man because you'll be building confidence. The more times you do this, the likelier you are to get more girls and have supreme confidence while doing it. You'll start to have great conversations with girls, leading to getting their numbers, going on dates, and eventually scoring. You'll realize it isn't as hard as you think. Number 1, focus on your purpose and making money. Girls love a man that has a purpose and one that prioritizes making money. It shows that a man has the potential to be able to provide for a family, which is a natural thing girls seek in men. You must have a day job and a side hustle. The main point of you having a job is to be able to save money and fund your side hustle. You don't want to be working for someone else for the rest of your life, so you need to have a solid game plan on how you'll be able to work for yourself. If you're able to accomplish this, you will separate yourself from the average male and become a high-value male. This will give you a lot more leeway when dealing with girls. Be sure to have a savings account that automatically has money put into it every single week. And make sure you're investing into your side hustle. The only way you'll be able to do this efficiently is if you're only buying things you need, not things you want. Once you have a few shirts, jeans, and shoes to wear, you don't need to keep buying new ones over and over again. Have a clean jacket and have a few different sweaters or hoodies you can wear to switch up the style. Whatever it is you like to wear, just make sure it's clean and that you look presentable. Be sure to buy food you can cook and have for the week, as this will help you towards saving more money. Do not finance a car. It will be taking away too much money per month and is a liability. You want to buy a car you can own and only have to pay for insurance every month. Girls love a guy that has something going for himself and isn't only worried about dealing with her all day. They may not tell you this, but this is the raw truth. If you're able to do all three of these steps and stay consistent doing it, you go from a boy to a man. It's a guarantee that you'll start to get more girls than you ever have before. Now, I'm not saying that just because you do all three of these steps, you're guaranteed to get every single girl you come across. That's unrealistic, as girls are still complicated to deal with overall. But you'll definitely level up as a man the more you do all three of these steps, and still be more desirable to girls than most guys are. Most guys are lazy and would rather do degenerate things like drugs, party, or play video games all day. You'll stand out as a man amongst boys, and the girls will see that and appreciate that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't just listen to what I said in this video and go back to being normal. Actually implement this into your life and you're guaranteed to see results. You're guaranteed to have a better life in terms of success and in terms of dealing with women. So, if you guys want to see more videos like this, be sure to leave a like, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload again. And understand this, be first or be forgotten. Till next time.